So, are you dreaming of swimming in a pool of $1 million and officially joining the Millionaires Club? Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. In this video, we will look at 10 proven paths to unlocking your million-dollar fortune. I won't lie to you, becoming a millionaire takes serious work and dedication. But hey, if they can do it, you can too. So if you're ready to strike that 1 million, bid adieu to your peasant days and let's start the video. Number 1. Money manners matter. If you want to achieve $1 million, forget those fancy schemes or overnight luck. The real path to get your 1 million begins with good money manners. You should know how to handle your cash, big or small. It plays a huge role than you think. Let's talk about respect. Respecting your money means budgeting it. As we always say, every penny matters. Saying no to everyday coffee runs and impulsive buying should be a great start. This builds financial discipline, the backbone of building your wealth. And when you manage your money well, you will feel the nicest feeling in the world, peace of mind. You can sleep soundly knowing that you are in control of your finances. Treat your money right and it will do the same for you. Number 2. Climb the lucrative profession ladder. Finding a high-paying profession is like searching for a needle in a haystack. But worry not. First things first, pick a profession that screams, "I'm loaded," and dedicate yourself to mastering it like a boss. Next is mastering your craft. I know, it's easier said than done, but practice makes perfect. Learn everything about your chosen field, be it through training, workshops, or late-night Google searches. After everything, just see your wealth finally rolling in. Number 3. The power of the pen. Some might say, why write when you can speak? But think again, you guys. Writing has the power to make you richer. That's a fact. It all starts with finding your niche. Are you a wizard of romance novels? A historian who brings the past to life, or a whiz kid at whipping up delicious recipes? Knowing your niche is the first step towards stardom. Now, the trick is not just writing, but writing that sells. You've got to captivate your readers and take them on a wild, emotional roller coaster. Remember, the pen is mightier than asking your readers to shell out money for your book. Number 4. Be a real estate mogul in the making. Imagine saving a whole piggy bank full of coins, then doubling it with smart choices. That's a life of becoming a real estate mogul. Think of houses and buildings as piggy banks that grow their value over time. You can make your piggy bank grow big and strong, maybe even reach $1 million. But being a mogul is just making money. The goal is to create something amazing, like an enormous piggy bank filled with houses, by applying your intelligence and diligence. Who knows? Perhaps someday you will be the one guiding people toward their real estate treasure hunt. Number 5. The investor's route. It's kind of a big thing when we say investor and investments. But I'd like for you to think about it as an amusement park ride where understanding the risk and reward is like knowing you should eat after the roller coaster ride, not before. In the world of investing, some individuals jump off the deep end and invest in highly volatile cryptocurrencies. Some would rather take a calm trip down stable stock lane in a gondola. Two distinct approaches, each with its allure and rewards. All you have to do is find out where you stand and how uncomfortable financial loops make you feel. In the world of investing, diversifying your portfolio is the name of the game. It's about spreading your money around. A dash of stocks here, a drop of real estate there, and a sprinkle of bonds for good measure. And watch as your wealth grows. Number 6. Have an entrepreneurial spirit. $1 million feels like a mountain of gold coins, right? But it's not about magic to get this. It's the entrepreneurial spirit. Think of it like a superpower with 3 cool tools. An idea machine, dream ways to make money. It's like selling lemonade in your front house. Every job helps. A hustle hammer. When life throws you lemons, you make you guessed it, a lemonade. The never give up shield. When things get tough, don't quit. Even superheroes trip. Number 7. Be an artist with a vision. Artists are the free spirits of society. They are not just painting colors, they are painting dreams. But can they paint dreams of a millionaire lifestyle? Well, hold on to your berets because Picasso didn't say, "I'd like to live as a poor man with lots of money," for nothing. Being an artist with a vision means seeing things differently. Make those dreams come to life, even your wildest dreams. Remember, fireflies don't need a million suns to shine. They just need their tiny spark to fly. Doesn't matter if you had a lot of failing attempts, that's part of learning. So, keep dreaming big, keep creating, and watch as you make your way to $1 million. Number 8. Use the power of social media. Just like Midas touch, every post you make has the potential to turn into a thrilling roller coaster ride of money-making madness, all from a 3rd-floor apartment. As followers grow plentiful, so do prospects of monetizing. Ads, contracts, bizarre brand endorsements. The world becomes your banquet. But hey, be warned, gone are the days when all you had to do was just be pretty. You have to work for this gig. Be so good that they can't ignore you. This is like the miracle of this generation, so spice up your game and get your camera. Number 9. Set up multiple income streams. Creating multiple passive income streams is not a magical spell that immediately sprouts money. Think of it as a snail tournament, slow and steady. However, what's not to love about making money while swathed in your cozy duvet, lost in dreamland? Websites, online courses, ebooks, they're your golden geese. And of course, a crowd favorite quote, don't throw all your eggs into one basket. You know, $5 here, $10 there, and before you know it, money is flowing everywhere. Number 10. Set realistic goals. Ever climbed a mountain? You wouldn't jump straight to the top, right? You would take steps, one by one, aiming for smaller peaks along the way. Reaching $1 million is similar, a grand adventure requiring realistic goals and your climbing gear. Setting unrealistic goals is like trying to jump to the mountain peak. It might sound exciting, but you will likely tumble back down. Millions by next week sounds cool, but without smaller, achievable goals, it's just a wobbly dream. Realistic goals are like sturdy stepping stones. Save $10 a week, or sell half my old toys. These are mini achievements that feel doable and exciting. Each one is a victory, taking you closer to your $1 million summit. Think of this. Reaching $1 million is a marathon, not a sprint. You wouldn't run the whole race in one burst, would you? Setting realistic goals is like pacing yourself and making steady progress without getting out of breath. It's about consistency, not instant magic. That's everything. In the end, our $1 million dreams can only become reality through patience and persistence. It's not something magical, but it does the trick. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our following videos.